If you're ever sad, just put your hand on your heart. Feel that? That's a titty.
I do the stupid things. That's my place in the group.
Ah! What? I just like screaming. What you... Ah! Okay!
Painting class, painting ass.
Hey, Donald.
No, that's not there either.
I'm really disappointed. I found out cockfighting is done with chickens.
Jesus Christ.
3 years of training I'm never getting back.
Oh my God.
Jeff the Spider.
Hi, everyone.
Would you please tell the court your relationship with Billy?
He's my dad.
Billy only hatched the egg, people, that's all.
And how would you rate Billy as a caregiver?
Pretty good, I guess. Except that he's never remembered my birthday. Or paid child support. In fact, he usually just jabs me with a big stick. Ow!
I'll jab you good, you filthy bug!
Why won't you love me, Dad? I'll be anything you want me to